we begin to learn how to walk backwards. Walking backwards should be done naturally in the first part, in section 2. We pay attention to how our arms and legs reach out as we step back to balance our arms and legs. We learn to think in our mind. One of the common mistakes people make is they look down on their feet. When we look down, we will change our balance. So try to feel what we do in section 2, first part.
And now we begin by doing our openings. Step left foot out, toes and heel. Fingers extend, bend at the wrist. Extend your hands forward to shoulder level. Pull elbows back. Press hands down, bend your knee. Shift your weight to your left leg and adjust your right toes inward about 45 degrees. Pick up left heel, turn body left. Lift left hand, press right hand down into hamstring the loop. And now we begin to learn Repulse monkey to step back. 1 is drop your right hand and open up both hands, one in front, one in back, both palms facing up. And 2, bending your right elbow, pull your right hand back to your right shoulder. At the same time, place your left foot backwards on your toes. Extend your left hand. At the same time you step back with your left, you will feel a stronger balance. Then place left heel down, turn your waist to your left. Pull left hand down, push right hand out, and adjust your right toes point front. This posture is called Repulse monkey, steps backward. We will repeat this 4 times, now on the opposite side. First, drop left hand down and rise, both palms facing up. Then bend your left elbow, at the same time pick up your right foot to step back. Extend your right hand as you step back. Put your right foot down, pull right hands in, turn your waist to your right, push left hand out, adjust your left toes facing forward. Number 3, drop right hand down, turn both palms facing up. Bend your right elbow, pull right hands in, at the same time step left leg back. Extend left hand for balance. Place the left heel down, turn your waist to the left, pull left hand down, push right hand out. Number 4, Repulse monkey steps back. Drop left hand down and lift hands up, both palms facing up. Bend your left elbow. At the same time, step your right foot back. Extend your right hand forward. Place your right heel down, turn your waist to the right, pull your right hand back, push left hand out. And this is Repulse monkey steps backward 4 times. We will repeat that. From hamstring the loop. 1, drop right hand down, turn both palms facing up. And 2, bend your right elbow, left leg, step back. 3, place left foot down, turn your waist to the left, pull left hand down, pushed right hand forward. Second repulse monkey. 1, drop left hand down and lift. Both palms now facing up. 2, bend left elbow at the same time, right foot step back. 3, placed right heel down, turn your waist to the right, pull right hand back, pushed left hand out. Second one complete. Number 3, 1, drop right hand down and lift both palms facing up. 2, bend right elbow, left leg, step back. 3, placed left heels down, turn waist to the left, pull left hands back, pushed right hand out. Number 4, 1, drop left hand down and up, both palms facing up. 2, bend left elbow, right leg, step back. And 3, placed right heel down, turn waist to the right, pull right hand back, push left hand forward. Repulse monkeys, step back 4 times. This time we will do it as smoother versions from hamstring to loop. 1, drop hands down, palms facing up. 2, bend right elbow, left leg, step back. 3, shifting weight to left leg, push and pull both hands by turned waist to the left. 1, drop left hand down and then both palms up. 2, bend left elbow, right leg, step back. Turn waist to the right, pull right hands back, push left hand out. 1, drop right hands down, both palms facing up. 2, bend right elbow, left leg, step back. 3, turn waist to the left, push and pull of your hands. 1, drop left hand down and up, both palms facing up. 2, bend at the elbow and right leg, step back. 3, turn waist to the right, push and pull of your hands. And now we're going to talk about the things to pay attention to in repulse monkey steps back. First, when we drop the hands and lift the hands up, the common mistakes is they lift their hands over their shoulders or not lined up with the shoulder. Make the wrist, it's the same level as your shoulder. On 2, as we bend our back hands and the front leg to step back, we need to lean our body slightly forward so we'll feel better balance. And this is also good for your back. If your body is too much upright, you will feel lower back crunched and lower back pains when you do this too much the wrong way. Then 3, as we sit back, turn waist, push and pull. Make sure your lower hand's elbow does not pull past your body. Now the other side. 1, drop left hand down, turning both palms up. As we bend our back hand, our left hands, we pick up our front leg to step back. It is best to pick up your front toes first, then heel. That will make the step easier. Bring the hands in and body lean forward for better balance. Another common mistake people made is they place their legs step back too narrow with the supporting legs. When you do this, you will lose your balance as you step back. It's best to have the foot stepping back a little bit wider. After the heel is down, turn your waist and pull the hands in and adjust front toes. And those are the common mistakes for Repulse monkey steps back. And this time we will do smoother versions by the count of 3. 1, open both hands, palms facing up. 2, bending back, elbow, front foot step back. 3, sits back, turn waist, push and pull off your hands. 1, drop hands down, both palms up. 2, bending back, elbow, front foot step back. Body lean forward. 3, sits back, push and pull off your hands. 1, drop hands down, turn both palms facing up. 2, bending back, elbow, front foot step back, body leans slightly forward. 3, sits back, push and pull. 1, drop hands and both palms facing up. 2, bending back, elbow, front foot step back. 3, sits back, turn waist, push and pull, adjust front toes. And this is Repulse monkey steps back.